Okay, so let's talk about the first principle. This is called easing. This is when an object's behavior aligns with a user expectations when temporary events happen. So, easing really mimics the way real-world objects accelerate and slow down over time. This applies to all UI elements that have motion. So if we think about this actual example here, we have these kind of cards that slide in when you click one of these options. And the way they slide in, they kind of slide in and slow down. Same with these buttons, they kind of ease in and out as they expand and move upward. So we're thinking about that actual transition. Now, the opposite of easing is called linear motion. Now, linear motion, basically UI elements displaying linear motions go from, stationary, meaning like stopping or just not moving, to full speed, and then full speed to stationary. And it's kind of like instantaneously. This type of behavior doesn't really feel natural, and it's very jarring for users. So that's if just like a car was moving 0 to 100 just at the same speed, like 20 kilometers or 20 miles per hour. Now, if we think about this, we can see how these cards, like I mentioned, they come in quickly and then they just slowly settle. Easing creates and reinforces that naturalism. And this creates a sense of continuity when objects behave as users actually expect them to. This is another one. Even the way the map kind of distorts that route, the way this image expands, all these different animations are kind of coming in and they have different types of easing applied to them. And they actually help the user, kind of see that content come in less abruptly. And it allows them to kind of eat up these different types of pieces of content much more easily. So we'll be using easing a lot as we go through our projects.